I'm leaning against our dresser. We have one. It's well made. I like the way it looks. It's used. We use it. And what I mean by we is my wife uses the whole thing. I don't use any of it. I want to talk today about what I actually do and why I do it and why I don't use this thing. I think for what I do, it is best for me to be able to see everything, stay organized. I don't have the need to reorganize all the time. I am fast and efficient, and it is awesome and perfect for me. This is not perfect for me. That's why I have zero stuff here. So we're going to jump over to my closet, and I'm going to show you what I do. And if this connects with you, if you have ideas, thoughts, leave me a comment. I'd love a like and a subscription as well. That would be awesome. So let's go to it over there. Okay, we are now in my closet where I keep everything. Everything is out in the open. It is on rods, it is on shelves, and I have a few open air drawers. So I'll show you how I do all of this. But this closet length that I have here is about 8 or 9 feet long, from floor to ceiling, and then another 2 feet or so as it turns around the corner. So everything is here. I can see it instantly. In the morning, I can come in, close the door, turn the light on. My wife isn't disturbed. I can efficiently do things. I know where everything is, even in the dark, if I have to. So this works really well for me. When I close things up into closed drawers or cabinets of a chest or of a dresser, I tend to not see or not open certain drawers, and then stuff is buried on the bottom that is unseen. I much prefer this kind of a system. I am a little bit of a minimalist, although I kind of have so-so thoughts on minimalism. I'm more of an intentionalist. I want to live intentionally and with purpose. So I do have, you'll see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got certain shirts in quantity that I wear time and time and time again. And I pretty much wear everything here. I love the brand Ministry of Supply. These are Vineyard Vines. I also love the brand Cuts. All of my t-shirts are Cuts. So this isn't really about brands, and I'm not sponsored by anybody. I'm just kind of throwing out some things in case it's helpful. But let me show you a little bit more specifically. I'm going to turn the camera around here to see what we got going on. Okay, starting at the top, I've got a few shoe boxes, a bag that I use for travel, a few hats. You know, those are things that aren't used very often. I've got some shirts that are still in plastic. Those are embroidered dress shirts. There's actually 4 of them up there that all match, and I've got a couple more down below. So that's part of what I wear all the time. And then as I go down, I have this side, which is all short sleeve shirts, different golf shirts of a few different colors. And again, I've got some ones that are all the same color, or this group here is all the same brand, the same size. They all fit me really well. I'm a slender, thin guy, so I like fitted or slim cut things. These fit me really well. I keep them, they're all in the same hangers. I like that. They're all in the same direction. I like that. And then I have some things on shelves. So dress shorts, exercise shorts. These are pretty much all the same brand, which are Viore. And then I have some quarter zip sweaters in a few different colors. And then I step down and I keep kind of my everyday work pants. You'll see a lot of it is gray and black and blue. I pretty much stay just kind of in that same field. I've got some quarter zips here. I've actually got a couple of these that are in the laundry, all identical. I also have some lighter weight, a whole slew of blue ones that I wear kind of in the spring or fall. And then I also have these quarter zips that I actually have a couple of these in the laundry as well that I wear quite a bit. And then I keep an open shelf here to be able to just place things, to be able to see what I have. You know, I love this little box that has a really nice watch that was given to me as a gift from a good buddy of mine. And then I also have different long sleeve hanging shirts up at the top that I do wear quite a bit of. And then as we drop down to a rod below, I have some additional pants, dress shirts, and that kind of thing here. I keep all of my belts here. I pretty much just have a few dress belts and a few everyday belts. Let's go down to the drawers. This is a shallow drawer at the top. This is all the undergarments. You can tell they're all black. They're all the same brand. When they start going bad, I just get rid of them all and I get all new ones. These are bamboo. It's a natural material. They breathe. They fit me well. I've got like 15, 20 pair of them. So that's awesome. The next one down is a little deeper drawer, which is where I keep all of my socks. I keep some really heavy wool socks and some dress socks towards the back that I don't use as much. The everyday socks are a little more forward, which for exercise is my left side, which is more of, they're all Bombas, they're all wool. And then on the right side is my everyday socks. I've got a whole bunch of the gray striped ones and a whole bunch of the blue striped ones and then a whole bunch of the black striped ones. Those three varieties is pretty much what I wear all the time. They're Vermont darn tough, all wool again. Love those. And then I go down to kind of cotton t-shirts. These would be like graphic t-shirts from either the college I went to, the college my son goes to, high school, or different trips that I've taken. So I don't wear these as often, but I do have them. So I keep all my cotton ones separate from the ones I wear every day. These are the ones every day. These are all, this entire drawer is all cuts. The one to the back are kind of Henley style. They have buttons, all short sleeve. And then the ones in the front don't have any buttons. These are just regular tees. Variety of different colors. I've got a whole bunch in black because I tend to wear black more often. Got quite a bit still in the laundry that will come up here as well. And then in the bottom is what I don't use as often, which is swim trunks. And these are some stained cuts t-shirts that I wear when I'm messing around in the garage with oil or in the yard or something I'm going to get dirty. I don't want to wear my everyday ones and get those messed up, so I wear the bad ones. That's how that goes. And then over here where I keep pants, I have some old sweatshirts that I wear for messing around in the garage or yard, old pants that I wear for messing around in the garage or the yard or camping. And then I get up into more of my everyday wear. I've got a couple of these medium blues that are down in the laundry, so I've got a few more. And then I've got these darker blue ones that I wear kind of every day as well, along with these guys. And then I've got some various sweatshirts that I wear quite a bit here. So this is my closet as far as clothes go. At the other end, I do have kind of a shoe drawer that slides in and out where I keep some shoes. And then I've got an odds and ends drawer where I keep some odds and ends. Okay, so this is my closet. This is how I organize it. This is why. And this is why I don't use a dresser. My wife uses it, and I love looking at the dresser, so it's functional for us, just not me personally. And then my wife has this other side of the closet that I'm not going to show because, well, it kind of makes me itch, and so I try to ignore it. All right, thank you much.